This is a collaboration between 3 channels, and if you want to see how it turned out, stay tuned.
Can Daddy cook?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, if you like my kind of videos with delicious dishes and great recipes, you might want to subscribe. Hit the bell icon, turn on your notifications, and if you want to, give me a thumbs up. If you want a shout out on this channel, all you got to do is be a subscriber. Shoot me some messages back and forth and let me know you like what I'm doing. And if you have a good channel with great content and I like it, you can just about guarantee you will be getting a shout out. Before I start, I want to give my first shout out, and that shout out is Simply Elegant Home Cooking. If you like their channel, please subscribe. I'll have their link in the description box. Welcome back, welcome back. This is a 3-way collaboration with Ray Mack, great channel, and also with Chef Lorius. All right, their information will be in the description box. We all got together and decided that we're gonna do this recipe, which is a Cajun seafood pasta. All right, guys, this shouldn't take that long. There is a little bit of prep, and stay tuned. I'll be right back. For this recipe, here's my supporting cast. I can't even talk. Here's the supporting cast. Right here, I have some very huge shrimp and some very huge scallops. Check that out. Booyah. All right, guys. Now, these shrimp, I'm gonna have to take the shells off and devein, but that's the seafood portion of my recipe. Now for my sauce, I'm gonna be using these type of tomatoes, all right, heirloom and all types of tomatoes. It's a medley, all right. I'm going to melt down some anchovies into some extra virgin olive oil and some butter. Not too many anchovies because I don't want to have too much salt. But that's going to be the base of my sauce. In there, then I'm going to throw in the tomatoes, let them break down, and then from there, I'm going to throw in my seafood, let that cook just until they're pink. When the shrimp is pink, the scallops will be good as well. All right, guys. I'm gonna smooth it out with a little bit of butter. Okay, and then I'm gonna season it with this Cajun seasoning, regular from the Spice House. I got this from a drawing that I won. And then I'm gonna bring it all together and add my pasta. I got water boiling right over here. And this right here is some pasta dough. I'm gonna make my own noodles, and then we're gonna bring it all together. Stay tuned. You'll notice during this segment how the tomatoes start breaking down and making that lovely sauce. That's what I'm trying to go for. Thanks for staying with the video this long. My next shout out is going to be Cooking with CJ. He got a great personality. He does some skits and stuff, and he does some pretty good cooking. So just swing on by there, subscribe, tell him Phil sent you. Now I've added all those noodles and that look fantastic. Don't forget, I made those noodles myself. I really appreciate you guys staying toward the end of the video. Taste test is next, but the next shout out is gonna be Soul Food Cooking. They got some great content, great videos, and I like them. Swing on by, subscribe, tell them Phil from Daddy Cook sent you. All right, guys, it's all come together. It looks fantastic. It tastes even better because I taste as I go along. But I'm not gonna do my taste test. My camera woman, Octavia, is gonna do my taste test for me. So come around here, baby. I'm gonna stay close because I got the microphone. You look beautiful.
Long time no see.
I know.
Hey,
all right, baby, try it and just tell me what you're getting. I'm going for a Cajun seafood pasta. However you want, baby. The whole scallop, I know, but this gonna be a minute.
Oh my God.
What? Microphone's here.
It's just everything about it is so fresh. Like, oh my gosh, I have no words for this.
She's speechless. No, seriously.
Okay, it's not overly salty.
Good, good.
Like, it has like the perfect amount of salt.
I added no salt to the cook. I only added salt to the pasta, salt to the water when I cooked the pasta. But the only salt I put in the sauce was anchovy.
That's it?
That's it, anchovy. And now there was some salt, pepper, garlic, and stuff like that inside that Cajun seasoning that I used, but
Shrimp has a little heat to it.
okay.
Little hit, it's perfect flavor. It's really good.
Okay.
The scallop, it's not tough to chew.
Okay, so nothing's overcooked.
Nothing's overcooked.
All right.
Everything's perfect.
Nice. May I?
Yes.
Excuse me. I'm just gonna taste some of my pasta. Did I say my pasta? Vanity, vanity.
I think the pasta is the best part of the dish.
Wow, this is what I'm getting, guys. One, the pasta's great. Al dente, not mushy at all. Oh, by the way, after I made it, I literally only cooked it for 1 minute to get it al dente because it was fresh, not dried. And then I just mixed it to the sauce with the seafood. I'm getting a little bit of heat from the Cajun seasoning. It's not overly salted. Wow, that's great. I'm getting the combination of the seafood. I can taste the shrimp and the scallops, but kind of combined. Not one is drowning out the other. And you get the saltiness of the anchovy, but not the anchoviness of the anchovy for you people that don't like anchovies. Anchovy is the hidden ingredient, y'all. You should try it. But do over.
Do over.
Outstanding. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Well, there you have it, guys. This turned out fantastic. Once again, I want to thank Ray Mack and Chef Lorius for including me into this collaboration. Please go by and check out their renditions of this recipe. And my girls call me
Daddy.
and I cooked the hell out of that. I'll see you when I see you. Can Daddy cook?
Mm-hmm.